Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates, and I just wanted to jump on here and talk about a couple different stocks that I like, that I always kind of play. I make a lot of stocks videos on microcloud hologram, and I just want to start touching on a couple other stocks that I like as well. So if we're down in microcloud hologram, which is 98% of the time, we can start making some money on some other plays. So like to start here, this is one that I like right here. This is a article by Zacks, 2 cheap growth stocks to buy now for under $20. Once again, SoFi is in this article. This talks about Wisdom Tree, which I think that's a decent one too, but then it says buy cheap SoFi technology stock for long-term growth. SoFi technology stock has skyrocketed 135% in the last 6 months. That's what we're missing out, guys, when we're in this microcloud hologram. If it doesn't pop soon, we've got to take that money and move it over into different plays. No financial advice, is my personal opinion. It's what I'm going to do, because like this, SoFi technology skyrocketed 135% in the last 6 months. Even though SoFi has climbed 200% in the past 2 years, it still trades over 25% below its 2021 records at roughly $18 per share. SoFi Technologies is a one-stop shop for consumer finances. SoFi offerings include banking, personal loans, credit card, investing, insurance, and beyond. SoFi remains firmly in its growth phase, growing its members by 35% year over year in quarter 3 to close with 9.4 million. SoFi has since reached 10 million members. 10 million members, guys, and it's growing, and our economy is going to just do nothing but get better, which is going to help everything like personal loans, credit cards, investing, insurance, all that good stuff. SoFi said at the end of 2024 that users have gravitated towards new offerings such as its robo-advisor platform, as well as expanded access to alternative assets, early access to in-demand IPOs, unique investment opportunities, private real estate, and private venture, and more. SoFi reported its 4th consecutive quarter of GAAP net income in quarter 3. Financial services and tech platform units accounted for 49% of SoFi's net revenue versus 39% a year ago. These businesses grew revenue by a combined 64% year over year, a testament of our continued execution and deliberate shift towards capital light, higher return on investment, fee-based revenue streams. That's what the CEO of SoFi said. SoFi is projected to grow its revenue by 22% in 2024 and 18% in 2025 to be reaching at $2.97 billion. Wall Street will also love to see SoFi swing from an adjusted loss of minus 36 cents a share in fiscal year 23 to plus 12 cents a share in 24, and then surge 144% higher in year 25 to 29 cents a share. It beat its last quarter by 25%. Here's a little, as far as, let's see what we see. Get my glasses on. So from June 24, it was well under $6, guys, and now it's closing in on 20. SoFi says SoFi is still pricey when it comes to forward earnings, 58 times, yet SoFi's impressive long-term earnings growth outlooks help the stock trade at a 35% discount to tech. So, and as you can see, SoFi, this is what it's done pretty much since August. It's just shot straight up, and then obviously what goes up must come down. So we've came up, come down, and we continue to go up. We go up, we go up, we come back down. Now we're on the way back up. So it may not be the best time to buy short term, but long term, I think here's the $20 line, guys, and it's just a matter of time till we get to 20. They just raised the price target on SoFi, and it's just a strong looking company, and it's still fairly cheap, guys. It's under $20. I don't think it's going to be under $20 for long. What I do is I sell puts. I can sell puts on SoFi for $20 strike price. You can get a $500 credit. You can buy a long-term option for SoFi, make it over $20. It's going to be pretty hard to lose that. It might be a little pricey to buy at this point, but and like I said, no financial advice. You guys do what you feel comfortable doing, but we really have got support right around the, if it does fall, I could see it falling back down to maybe $15.50, but I think it's going to be a strong stock, and I'm just plus on the stock market with Trump coming in. No politics, just set all that aside, just him coming in and just especially for small cap businesses. He's going to relieve regulations, a lot of things. And another small cap and another huge thing we're into is AI and these data centers. They're going to need data centers, which brings me to Applied Digital, because Applied Digital is just a good stock, guys. I've played this one, gosh, since it was about $4. I mean, you know, Applied is another one. Let me just show you real quick on Applied. This is just the last 6 months. These are 2-hour candles, the last 6 months. It's another one, guys, with these data centers and AI. It's gonna do nothing but climb. So back in January 20, this is 6 months. There's 6 months chart out. There we go. Let's do the year. All right. This is one that I always talk about playing calls and puts on because there's a lot of opportunities. But as you can see, you know, we got down. We was at $2, guys, here in November of 22. I was in. Since then, March of 23, it was sitting at $2.74, $3.09. Then it jumps up to $11. July 23, falls back down. November 4, jumps back up to 8, falls back down, all the way back down here to, I think it fell under $2 at one point in time. But yeah, May of 24 was $1.97. Jumped all the way back up to 11, and now it's sitting at 9. And as you can see, this where was I at? Man, all these stupid things always want to just mess me up. So as you can see, it's still considered a strong buy based on 7 Wall Street offerings, 12-month price targets. In the last 3 months, the average price target is $12.14 with a high forecast of $14 and a low of $11. And guys, right now it's sitting at $9.24. On the daily candle, I don't think it's had the best day today. Let's see. I apologize about these charts. I never want to seem to stay, but yeah, it's down 32% today. But you know, the lowest price target is 11, average price target is $12.14, and the highest is 14. With these data centers coming in, AI, Trump coming in office, and he's going to be pushing that. He already has. I think it's just a great opportunity to make some money, guys. So. It's just me. It's just 2 other stocks. It's ticker symbol APLD and ticker symbol SoFi, SoFi and Applied Digital. Let me know what you think about those 2 stocks. Like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. Today is January 24th, and we are just starting the first week of Trump's new presidency, and we are gonna, I think, have a good year in the market. That's just my opinion, and I think these are a couple stocks to watch, and I'm making video on a few more. These are just a couple, but I think these are a couple that are fairly cheap that most people can afford to buy, that we can actually make some money on, whether you play options, whether you just buy the stock, whatever you would like to do. But let me know what you think about those guys, and you know, I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks for all the support, like always. Like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. It helps the stocks and it helps me, and I appreciate it, that's for sure. So that's it. Good luck in the market, and take care. I'll see you soon.